Are we going to face each other?
Yeah.
Should I put these, or should I hold it here so
Yeah.
it kind of blocks the phone?
So, I look back over the last 5 years of our lives together, and I realise that I love you more and more every single day. I love your smile, your laugh, your sense of humour. I love your passion, your caring nature and kindness, your love of animals and your inquisitive nature. I love your perfectionism and values. Of course, also your DIY and painting skills. But most importantly, I love everything about you, even when you're hangry. You're my best friend, the love of my life, and the only person I want to spend every waking moment with. I can't think of any other person I'd rather marry, and I couldn't imagine my life without you. You make me a better person, and every moment with you makes me the happiest person in the world. I keep thinking how we have the most perfect life together. The two of us, our beautiful home, and our two amazing cats. We make the best team, and I'm so excited for our future together.
I love you. I'm sorry I didn't write any vows in advance.
It's okay.
I think the last 5 or so years together has been amazing, and we've done so many things, been to some amazing places together and had some amazing life milestones together, and you've been there for me through some of the best things that have ever happened to me and some of the worst things that have ever happened, and I couldn't have got through it without you by my side. And we have the most beautiful house and the best cats and the best life together with so many amazing people in it, and I wouldn't want to do any of that without you. And when we were reflecting last night about where we could have ended up if we hadn't met each other, we could have lived 1,000 different lives, but if I had the choice, I'd still pick this one every time. And I never imagined myself ever getting married to anyone, but this also feels like the best decision I've ever made and totally right. And we are 250 feet above the ground on a wobbly bridge in Costa Rica, and it's perfect, and there's no one I'd rather do this with than you, and I can't wait for all of the adventures we have to come over the next however many years we get to spend together. Love you so much. Love you. Let me give you a proper kiss. And this one's yeah. You got this. Yeah. That sounded terrifying. Happy? Yeah. Desperate to get off this bridge? Yeah. Listen to the
Amazing.
The rain.
Sorry, I'm still gripping the handrail.
It's okay, I'll just put my hands on top.
Okay. Yeah.